today we're going to be making some yarn crafts. The first thing that we're going to make is a favorite that has been handed down from generation to generation. It is the yarn doll. Very fun and simple to make. Kids love it. They make really cute little crafts during the holidays. And it's very simple supplies. Basically, you're going to need 2 different color yarns, one for the body and one for the hair. And I chose purple because my daughter loves purple, and then white for the hair because I'm going to make it her grandma. So those are the colors that I chose. And then you're going to need 3 different length surfaces to wrap your yarn around. One for the body, one for the arms, and one for the hair. So basically you can use whatever surface you have around the house. You can imagine that this project has been around for years and years, and they didn't have access to all of the different crafting supplies that we do today. So I'm sure that they had to improvise. So I, in the spirit of that, chose a box for the small surface, and this is about 8 inches, and I'm going to use this to wrap my yarn around for the hair. And then for the arms, which is my medium surface, I just chose a piece of cardboard that was the right length. And then for the body, I wanted a surface that was really going to support having yarn wrapped around it 200 times, nice and evenly. So I just chose a plastic lid from a plastic box, and that's what I'm going to use for the body. And then you're going to need a yarn needle, because we are going to have to attach the hair onto the top of the head. And then whatever embellishments you want to make, the nose, the eyes, and the mouth. I used some floss, and then my daughter had these little sticky hearts laying around. So this is what I chose, and I'm going to make her eyes out of these little foam hearts. They stick right on. So whatever, if you want to use googly eyes, that's fine. Or if you want to sew on some little yarn eyes, that's fine as well. You're going to need a pair of scissors, and if you want to measure your lengths, you're going to need obviously a tape measure. And that's it. So once you have your supplies all gathered, we're ready to go. Stick around and I'll see you at the next clip.